We got the brown lizard in full effect. What's good, gang? You getting straight to it. Straight to it. Caprice Classic. I know what it is. I'll mount these up for y'all, give y'all a quick shot. 255 35 20s on the front. And in the rear we got them laced with the 285 30 20s in the rear. But let me get this set up, cut y'all right back on. All right. Just pop him with his back. All right, ain't hitting the frame. A1 steak sauce, big dog. Oh yeah, y'all see it. Caprice Classic. Oh yeah. That's one side. And we still hubcap heaven on this side, so it look good with the hubcaps. Don't get me wrong. Can't knock the original look, but you can't knock this either. Oh yeah. Let's go grab the lugs right quick. I'll cut you right back on. Nasty. That's real hubcaps. They are seated in there. Quality material right here. It's quality. Huh? It's 91316 or something, I forgot. Yeah, looking good, looking good.